We are a leader in material science at this university and in this department because of the people we have recruited and the capabilities they have to design materials.
Design a material is the science of creating materials with the composition and properties that one would want for a particular use.
This is a great place for material science because we're surrounded by the opportunities and the consequences.
Our program began about 10 years ago. It's a graduate program, so it's very highly focused on research. We produce master's, PhDs. We also have a minor for undergraduates, so we can involve and do involve undergraduates in research, which is a real benefit to them if they're considering graduate school. While research is important, our product here is really students.
Undergraduate student working with faculty researchers as part-time help. They will help the graduate students and faculty members.
Industry internship is something that's very dear to my heart. I truly believe it's value.
It gives the student an opportunity to check if what he chose as his study is really the thing he likes. So he gets confronted with the professional life.
Our purpose is to build an educational program that fosters internship opportunities for the students.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering faculty are very involved with the industries. We have an IUCRC, which is an industry university partnership consortium, which has members from 6 different industries.
Industry is involved in essentially everything we do. One of the things I like about this university is that we are involved in nearly every industry that you can think of in engineering.
Very early on, we focused on material science as a key part of developing advanced reactors, particularly advanced fuels. For example, testing reactor fuels, there's very limited locations around the world where such things can occur. So we have a partnership with, for example, the Idaho National Laboratory and the advanced test reactor there.
In some cases, we make better materials for batteries. In other cases, better materials for fuel cells. In other cases, we make better materials to fly an airplane.
Aerospace is still a kind of magnet for young people to at least take the step to study engineering.
We are actively building an aerospace engineering program in the state of South Carolina.
The reason why we are starting this up is because that Boeing came to the state. And what is very special about the Boeing factory here in South Carolina, it's the only place in the US where they actually build composite parts for the fuselage. We have a lightning strike laboratory. It's a small one, but it's a first start in which Boeing actually defined that they wanted to have it here.
McNair Center is poised to become a hub in Southeast.
And what we bring is really expertise on aerospace engineering. So the professors in the McNair Center have a lot of academic and also industrial experience.
Heterofoam is a contraction for heterogeneous functional materials. These are materials that are designed and made out of little pieces or constituents that fit together and do functional things together. Mechanical or electrical or thermal or electrochemical, like the batteries in our cell phone. So heterofoam is a special genre of materials that allows us to design on the computer the combinations of things that give us properties better than we can find in nature. Functional materials are fairly new in the recognition of the science and technology. Now we have materials that do other things for us, like allow us to take a light bulb with us someplace and store energy. This is the most astonishing time I have ever seen in the design of materials. We can do things that people would not have dreamed of even trying to do 15 years ago. We are leaders because of the materials we make and the design of those materials that we're able to conceive.
Material science is involved in every hardware that you build.
The easy stuff has already been done.
We're in the center of things that depend on material science. We need to lead these things. This is not just a nice idea, this is an amazing market.
I see great things for Department of Mechanical Engineering at USC for the future.
We want to make the world a better place. I'm doing it for my children and for future generations to come. That's why we do it. That's why we're here.